front of me is Samsung Galaxy M17, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Start by launching device's settings and scrolling to tap on sounds and vibration. Then tap on vibrate at the top in the middle to mute device fully, leaving haptic feedback. Or to unmute it, select sound and use this switcher next to vibrate warning to enable or disable haptic feedback for your unmuted incoming calls. Now, to adjust vibration options in detail, you need to scroll and manage those sections. Call vibration and notification vibration look pretty much the same. Tap on one of those. Let's start with adjusting incoming calls vibrations. Select silent to disable it, or pick one of those vibration patterns, like heartbeat. Then do the same for your notifications. This time let's go with basic. Now, when you finished with those, tap on system vibration, adjust intensity thanks to this slider. You can access the same one in vibration intensity section. And last but not least, tap on all of those switches next to all of those features to enable or disable haptic feedback for them. Touch interactions, dialing keypad, Samsung keyboard, charging, and last but not least, navigation gestures. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!